Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? We will discuss chapter number 2. Topic ratio and rate is already done. Today our topic is percentage change and reverse percentage. Textbook page number 63 and 64. Mental maths. What is the answer of 50 times 900? 50 times 900 is 5 times 9, which is equal to 45, and there are 30. We just put 30. Answer is 45,000. Same as it is. What is fraction 1 over 2 of 14? 1 over 2 times 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Answer is 7. Which of these numbers are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those which have only divisible by itself and only one. Okay, prime number which have only two factors. 33 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3, 147 is divisible by 3, 212 is divisible by 2, 91 is divisible by 7. These are the composite number, but 347 is divisible by itself and only one. 347 is a prime number. I have a liter of bottle of Coke. I drink 650 milliliter. How much it's left? You know, in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter. Subtract from 650. Answer is 350 milliliter are left. A pack of 6 pen cost is 600. How much does one pen cost? Just divide 300 divided by 6. 3 5s are 30. 0 as it is 50 rupees of one pen cost. What is the percentage change? The change in the value of an atom can be expressed like, if we have a question, 5 over 5% of 16,000 of salary, we 5 times of 5% of 1800. When we solve the percentage, we remove when we remove the sign of percentage, we just divide by 100 and time 1800. 20 cancel out. 18 5s are 90. Okay. Percentage can be used to describe a change. Percentage of change is the ratio of the amount change of the original amount. Percent change, which is equal to amount of change and original amount. Definition of percentage, you read it yourself. Percentage change, the formula of percentage change is change divided by original value times 100. What is the percentage? Percent change is when the percentage of an original value has changed. To calculate the percent change, you will use the percent change formula. Percentage change, amount of change divided by original value time 100. First, if we have a question to check function is increase or decrease, start, identify the initial value, then identify the final value. Percentage change, final value minus initial value divided by initial value time 100. For example, we have an initial value is initial value I is 10 and the final value is 15, we just put the initial value and final value in formula and get the answer. As the initial value is 10 and final value is 15, that means function is increasing. 15 minus 10 divided by initial value is 10 time 100%. 15 minus 10, answer is 5, divided by 10, multiple by 100%. 0 0 cancel out. 5 times 10 is 50%. Function is increased 50%. Here is the two examples. In the sale of price of the sofa is reduce, which is describe the decrease. Function is decrease from amount is $25 to 1840. What is the percent decrease? Solution: decrease in price. Final initial value is 2500 and final value is 1800. We subtract them. 2500 minus 1840, answer is 660. Describe percentage decrease. Decrease in value divided by original value time 100. Decrease value is 660 divided by 2500 time 100. Percentage decrease, which is equal to 26.4. Another example number 2. In the year of 2010, the price of the house was $72,060 and $600. By 2012, the price of the house had increased 2%, 1,25,598. Find the percent increase of the price of the house from 2010 to 2012. First of all, we find increase in price. Final value is 1,25,598 subtracted from 72,600. Answer is 52,998. For percentage increase, we just put the value in the formula. The formula is increase in value divided by original value time hundreds. Increase in the value is 52,998 and original value is 72,600 time 100, answer is 73%. Classwork exercise 2D textbook page number 69. Question number 1. Solve. Find the value of the following. Find the value of each of the following. Question number 1, part A. Increase 60 by 135. If we have a question that if we have a thing, the amount is 60 and we want to find if the price increase is 135, what is the answer? Increase 60 by 35, which is mean 35% of 60. 35% of 60. When we remove the sign of percentage, we just divide by 100 times 60. 0 cancel out from 0. 0 cancel out from 0. Then 35 times 6 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 3 twos are 6. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Then answer is 7 times 3, answer is 21. Okay. रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू. फॉर रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू, इफ़ अगर हमारे पास एक चीज़ है जिसकी प्राइस 60 रुपीज़ थी और उसमें 135% और इंक्रीज़ कर दिया जाए तो फिर हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू क्या आएगी, हमारे पास नेक्स्ट क्या प्राइस होगी, ये क्वेश्चन था. For required value, just we put the 35 increase, which is equal to 21. 60 plus 21, answer is 81. Question number 1, B part. B part is increasing 28% by 128 by 125%. Same formula, 125% of 28. When we of mean multiple, and when we remove the sign of percentage, we divide by 100. 125 divided by 100 times 28. Cut from the table of 5. 520 is 100 and 525 is 125. 25 times 28 divided by 20. Then cut by the table of 5. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 times 7 is 35. 35, and which for our required answer we just add 35 into 28. 28 plus 35, answer is 63. Question number 1, C part. Decrease 120 by 45%. 45% of in degrees we subtract initial value from the percentage of 120. 45% of 120. 45 divided by 100 time 120. Cut the table of 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 nines are 45. 0 cut from 0, and 9 times 12 over 2. Cut the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. 9 times 6 is 54. Required value in decreasing, we subtract initial value minus percentage is decrease. Initial value is 120 and decrease is 54. 120 minus 54, answer is 66. D part is decrease 216 by 737 whole 1 over 2. First of all, we solve the whole fraction. 237 times 2 is 74 plus 1 75. 75 over 2. 37 1 over 2 percentage of 216, which is equal to 17. 37 1 over 2 times 216 over 100. When we remove the sign of percentage, we divide by 100 times 260. 37 times 2 is 74 plus 1 75 over 12 times 216 divided by 100. Cut the table of 2. 2 6 are 12. 108 times 2 is 216. 75 times 108 divided by 100. Cancel out the table of 3 and 5. Answer is 3 times 27. 3 times 27 is 81. For required value in function is decrease, and when function is decrease, we subtract initial value and decrease percentage. Initial value is 216 and decrease percentage is 81. 216 subtracted from decrease percentage, which is equal to 81. 216 minus 81, which is equal to 135. Question number 2. Question number 2 is that 20% of a number is 17. Find the number. यहाँ पे नंबर हमारे पास मिस है. सबसे पहले हमने यहाँ पे नंबर लेट कर लेना है कि वो नंबर ये है, और अगर उसके अंदर से परसेंटेज निकाला जाए ना ऑफ आ नंबर, उस नंबर का, वो इज़ का मतलब होता है इक्वल है 17 के. 20% of a number is 17. Find the number. Solutions. First of all, we let a number be x, and 20% of x is 17, mean 20% of x which is equal to 17, and when we remove the sign of percentage, we just divide by 100 times x equal to 17. 21s are 21, 25s are 100, 1 over 5 equal to 1 over 5 times x which is equal to 17. Here 5 is divided. When it go from another side, then 5 is multiplied by 17. X is equal to 17 times 5 which is equal to 85. In B part, same as it is. Let a number be x. 175% of number is 49. Find number. First of all we suppose, or let the number. What is the number? We suppose that the number is x. 175 of x is equal to 49. Well, first of all we remove the sign of percentage, then we divide by 100 times is x is equal to 49. We cut out them from the table of 5, then the table of again 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 sevens are 35. 7 times x over 4 is equal to 49. Here 4 is divided, then it convert into another side. 7x which is equal to 49 times 4. 7x 49 times 4, answer is here, as 7 is multiplied by x. When it convert into another side, the multiplication change into division. 49 times 4 over 7, x is equal to 7 times 4 which is equal to 28. The result of a number when increased by 15% is 161. Find the number. First of all we let the original number be x. 15% of a number is 15% of a number x. 15 divided by 100 times x which is equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. 3x over 20. If the function is increased, we just add the original number plus increase percentage as we done in question number 1. Okay, the original number is, our initial number is x, and the percentage is increase is 3x over 20. We just add x plus 3x over 20 because function is increase. Here x is divisible by 1 because if there is no denominator, then denominator is 1. 1 times 20 for same denominator, x times 20. If we want to add any two fraction, if the denominator are same, we just add the numerator. For same denominator we multiply by 1 times 20 and x times 20, denominator are same, then we add the numerator. Numerator is 20x plus 3x over 20 which is equal to 161. 20 plus 3 is 23, x over 20 time which is equal to 161. 20x 23x which is equal to, here 20 is divide, it is multiplied by 161. 161 times 20, 161 times 20 is 3220. Here 23 is multiplied by x, and x which is equal to 3220 divided by 23. 23 ones are 23, and 23 140 times 23 is 3320, and x, which is equal to 140, which is our required answer. The result of a number when decreased by 20% is 192. Find the number. Let our number be original number be x. 20% of x is equal to x over 5. As function is decreased, when function is decreased, we subtract final value minus percentage decrease. Final value is our original value is x, and decrease percentage is x over 5, same as it is x, which is our original value, and decrease percentage is x over 5. For same denominator, we just multiply by 5 times 5. Denominator are same 5 as it is, and numerator is added 5x minus x. 5x minus x, answer is 4x over 5. Here 5 is divisible. It is multiplied by 192 when we convert it another side in cross multiplication. 4x, which is equal to 960. 960 divided by 4, answer is 240, which is our required answer. Question number 3. An elastic band which is 72 centimeter long is stretched to 90 centimeter. Find the percentage increase in its length. In percentage increase in its length, first of all we find the original length of the elastic band, which is given as 72. Final length when elastic band is stretched is 90 centimeter. Percentage increase in, as we read the formula, percentage increase, for that we final value minus original value divided by original value times 100. Okay, final value is 90 and original value is 72. 90 minus 72 divided by 72, because 72 is the original value time 100. 90 minus 72, answer is 18. 18 ones are 18 and 18 fours are 72. 1 over 4 time 100. 4 ones are 4 and 4 25s are 100. 25%, which is our required answer. Question number 5. The price of a desktop computer decreases from $1,360 to $1,020. Find the percentage decrease in its price. Original price of computer, not a original price of computer, which is equal to $1,360. $1,360. New price or final price is 1,020. 4% decrease in computer. In computer price, which is equal to original price minus final price divided by original price time 100. 1360 minus 1020 divided by 13,060 times 100. 13,060 minus 1360 minus 1020. Answer is 340 divided by 1360 times 100. We just calculate the values and decrease percentage is 25, which is our required answer. Question number 6. A car was bought in 2009 was $1,20,000. In 2010, its value decreased by 20%. In 2011, its value decreased by 10% of its value in 2010. Find the value of in the car at the end. सबसे पहले तो क्वेश्चन देख लें. क्वेश्चन में ये बोला गया है कि 2009 के अंदर एक कार की प्राइस $1,20,000 थी और 2010 के अंदर इसकी वैल्यू जो है वो 20% डिक्रीज़ हो गई और 2011 के अंदर इसकी वैल्यू जो है वो 10% डिक्रीज़ हो गई है. तो हमने बताना है कि 2011 में इसकी ओरिजिनल प्राइस क्या होगी. ओके, वैल्यू ऑफ द कार इन 2009 इज डॉलर, नोट अ PKP, $1,20,000. In 2010 decreased by 20%. In 2009 price is $1,20,000. मीन ये 100% वैल्यू डिक्रीज बाय 20%. 100 minus 20 आंसर इज 80%. 80% ऑफ वैल्यू इन 2009. 80% ऑफ 1,20,000. 80% 80 divided by 100 time 1,20,000. 20 cut out from 20. 80 time 12,000 which is equal to 96,000. 2010 के अंदर कार की जो प्राइस थी वो $96,000 सिर्फ रहेगी. यानी आपके पास जो एक साल के अंदर कार की प्राइस कम हुई है वो $1,20,000 से $96,000 रह गई है. इन 2011 डिक्रीज 10%. For decrease 10%, original percentage is 100. 100 minus 10 answer is 90%. 90% of value of 2010. 90% of mean multiple. In 2010 the price of the car is 96,000. When we remove the sign of percentage, 90 divided by 100 times 96,000. 20 cancel out from 20. 90 times 960 answer is 86,400, which is our required value. The value of the car in 2011 is $86,400. Question number 7. 45% of students who take part in a creative writing competition are boys. If 130 boys are take part in the competition, find the total number of the students who take part in the competition. Yes, percentage of the boys is 45. Number of the boys is 135. लेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट x. सबसे पहले हमने फर्स्ट कर लिया कि नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट है वो x है. अब 45% ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 135. 45% ऑफ x, 45 डिवाइड बाई 100 टाइम x विच इज इक्वल टू 135. 5 9s are 45 and 5 20s are 100 equal to 135. 9 here 20 is divisible divide by 9 and when we in cross multiplication 20 is multiplied by 135. when 20 here is 20 divisible when it convert into other side of equality, then 135 times 20 answer is 2700. Here 9 is multiple by x. ओके एंड व्हेन और जब हम इसको इक्वल टू से इधर लेके आएंगे तो ये x इज इक्वल टू क्या आएगा 2700 डिवाइड बाय 9 आंसर इज 300. मीन अब अगर एक क्लास है जिसके अंदर 45% बॉयज़ हैं और उनकी तादाद जो है वो 135 है, तो 55% में और स्टूडेंट हो गए, तो अब 135 में हम कितना ऐड करें टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट के लिए, तो वो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएंगे, रिमेनिंग जो स्टूडेंट हो वो आ जाएंगी, वो गर्ल्स की आ जाएंगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, लास्ट क्वेश्चन of this exercise in your syllabus. A house cost 36% more today than when it was built. If the cost of the house today is 3,33,200, find the cost when it was built. वो ये कह रहा है कि एक घर है जिसके अंदर 36% अगर इंक्रीज़ कर दिया जाए जब वो बना था, और जब वो इफ़ द कोस्ट ऑफ द हाउस टुडे इज़, अगर कोस्ट जो प्राइस दी गई है वो अब की दी गई है, वो है 3,33,200. फाइंड द कोस्ट व्हेन इट वाज बिल्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, सॉल्यूशन. लेट द कोस्ट व्हेन इट वाज बिल्ट इज x. परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इज 36%. ओरिजिनल परसेंटेज इज 100 plus 30 which is equal to 136. Increase value percentage today is 3,33,200. 136% of value when built is this, and 136% of x which is equal to 3,33,200. When we remove the sign of percentage, we divide by 100 times x which is equal to 3,33,200. Here when we cut it from the table of 434 is 136 and 425 is 100. 34 over 25x which is equal to 3,33,200. 34x which here 25 is divide. When we take it from another side to equality, it will be multiplied by 3,33,200 times 25. 34x here 34 is multiplied by x, and when we convert it when we take it another side of equality, it is divisible by 3,33,200 times 25 divided by 34. When we cut out this 3,33,200 divided by 34 times 25, answer is 2,45,000. मतलब ये हुआ कि जब वो घर बना था उसकी प्राइस थी 2,45,000, और जब उसके अंदर इंक्रीज़ कर दिया गया 36%, तो उस घर की जो प्राइस हो गई थी वो थी 3,33,200. इसके साथ आपका जो एक्सरसाइज 2D कंप्लीट हुई. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. अल्लाह हाफिज़.